Alright, there have been some questions about how to replace the batteries in this badge, and it is a little bit tricky. This is a very small space. What I do is use a little screwdriver like this. And so under the positive edge of the battery, you can kind of get the screwdriver up under the nubbin on the battery and pop that edge out. And then you can kind of come back here and push up on the middle of the battery. And then once it's in this position, you can just kind of wiggle it out of there. So same for the other side. Get under that nubbin, pop it out. Right from this side. And now that it's out, you can kind of wiggle that battery out of there. To put them in, same thing, reverse. It does help to go against the spring here when you're putting the battery in. So kind of try to compress the spring as you're getting the battery in there can help this process go a little easier. And I'm failing at that. So get it behind the spring and then you can push it down in. There's one. Get the other one here on this side. Again, you can kind of squish the side of the battery holder and try to get the back end of it into that spring. And then get the front end in.